I'm a behavioral scientist and I run a behavioral science company here at CIC. And one lie is I'm a famous stripper. Maybe that's not a lie. I don't know. Everyone lies a little bit, and what we often forget is that we rationalize about these lies. We don't even realize that we're telling these lies or that we are dishonest because we seem to rationalize it because we think everyone else does it or it's the right thing to do. And because we do that, we're not even aware of what we're doing, but everyone does that. And because there's not that many big liars or people that absolutely tell no lies at all, it's those people that tell small little white lies, and the financial effects of those small little white lies are pretty big. They're fairly tremendous if we compare them to, let's say, people that cheat a lot. And I think that's something we need to be more cognizant of. Actually, the science shows is that we can actually change subtle cues in the environment, like for example, putting more light in a room. That actually makes people to be more honest. We can actually change the position of a signature box from the bottom of the page or the bottom of the form and switch it to the top of the form. And we find that that actually switches on people's moral concept. And the data shows that people are actually more willing to be honest once their moral concept has been switched on. In conclusion, I would say, don't always look at the things that are what we think about how we can influence people's behaviors directly, but sometimes we have to look at the factors that actually can influence people's behaviors unconsciously. Wow, that's a great question. Human behavior, or actually our mind, is fairly limited in capacity, much more limited than we actually believe. If we know that people consistently and predictably make the same mistakes, we can actually create mechanisms that actually prevent people from making those mistakes before they actually do it. We lie about 2 to 3 times on average in a 10-minute conversation, so I would say yes.